Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. Let's continue Practice Book Unit 2 Genders. Worksheet 4, open page number 15. Miss Parik is going to tell her student a new story today. एक नई स्टोरी सुना रही है वो अपने बच्चों को. But there is a problem. The boys want her to tell them the story of a wizard. बॉयज़ चाहते हैं कि वो उन्हें एक विज़र्ड की स्टोरी बताए. विज़र्ड कौन है? ए मेल पर्सन हु हैज़ मैजिकल पावर, while the girls want her to tell them the story of a witch, a female person who has मैजिकल पावर, जिसके पास मैजिकल पावर है, फीमेल पर्सन. मिस पारिक थिंक ऑफ ए प्लान, तो वो एक प्लान कर सोचती हैं. आई विल टेल यू ए स्टोरी, चेंज द जेंडर ऑफ द नाउन्स इन ईच लाइन एंड यू कैन गेट अ स्टोरी बोथ अबाउट विच एंड द विज़र्ड. मैं आपको एक स्टोरी दूंगी और आपने उसमें जो नाउन्स हैं उनके जेंडर चेंज करने हैं. तो इससे क्या होगा कि आप दोनों को विच और विज़र्ड दोनों की स्टोरी मिल जाएगी. Complete the story that the student narrated. The Cruel Wizard of Osmania or the Cruel Witch of Osmania. Once upon a time, there lived a wizard in a jungle. In this line, wizard is a noun and jungle is also a noun, but jungle is a place, or we change the gender of the living things only. So, once upon a time there lived a witch in a jungle. विजार्ड को विच में चेंज कर दिया. नेक्स्ट, ही वॉज वेरी काइंड हार्टेड बट हिज वाइफ वॉज वेरी क्रूअल. अब ही जो प्रोनाउन है हमने थर्ड क्लास में भी किया है, ये बॉयज़ के लिए यूज़ होता है. इसको चेंज किया हुआ है शी गर्ल्स के लिए. तो शी वॉज वेरी काइंड हार्टेड बट हिज वाइफ, हिज को हमने चेंज कर दिया हर, किसके लिए? गर्ल के अकॉर्डिंग. और वाइफ को चेंज किया, अपोजिट जेंडर वाइफ नाउन है तो उसका अपोजिट जेंडर हस्बैंड. वॉज वेरी क्रूअल. द विज़र्ड वुड ऑलवेज हेल्प एवरीवन हु वॉज इन ट्रबल. विज़र्ड, opposite gender of wizard is witch. So witch would always help everyone who was in trouble. Next, the witch with her magic wand caused problem for the people. Magic wand means magic stick, जादू की छड़ी. So opposite gender of witch is wizard and with his magic wand. Her is used for girls and his is used for boys. So with his magic wand caused problem for the people. One day the Emperor of Afghanistan and the Duke of Kent were. Opposite gender of emperor is empress. So one day the Empress of Afghanistan and opposite gender of Duke is Duchess. The Duchess of Kent were passing through the jungle on their horses. Opposite gender of horses is mares. So passing through the jungle on their mares, the witch saw them coming and thought to herself. Herself is used for female. So opposite gender of witch is wizard, saw them coming and thought to himself. Himself is used for male. Next, he, let me trouble them and steal their peacocks. Opposite gender of peacocks is peahens. So he, let me trouble them and steal their peahens. The wizard heard her and decided to help the travelers. Then opposite gender of wizard is witch. Heard, her is used for female. So her is changed into him. Him is used for male. and decided to help the travelers. Let's do worksheet 5. Now turn to the passage B2, Mix Up at Birth, Unit Sports of my English reader. Student, mix up at birth, the lesson we have read. Locate and write opposite genders of those given in the blurb. Blurb में जो nouns दिए हुए हैं इनके अपोजिट जेंडर हमने राइट करने हैं. Aunt, its opposite gender will be uncle, so we shall write uncle here. Father, its opposite gender will be mother, so we shall write mother here. Fisherman, its opposite gender will be fisher woman, so we shall write fisher woman here. Next, find out two common genders in the passage. हमने पैसेज में से कॉमन जेंडर फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो टू कॉमन जेंडर्स हैव कम. फर्स्ट, क्रिकेटर. क्रिकेटर मे बी अ मेल और फीमेल. हेयर क्रिकेटर वर्ड इज यूज्ड फॉर सुनील गावस्कर, ही इज ए मेल. सेकंड, बेबी. बेबी मे बी ए मेल और फीमेल एंड बेबी वर्ड इज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर सुनील गावस्कर. Let's move to do it yourself. Check your knowledge and complete the following statements. A. Your mother's mother is your. आपकी मदर की मदर आपकी क्या है? Grandmother. So grandmother is a feminine gender. Your hair is cut by a barber. Barber is a masculine gender. Next, your father and mother are your parents. So parents is a common gender. Next, a person who treats a patient is a, जो person patients का इलाज करता है is a doctor. Doctor is a common gender. Next, a boy on his wedding day is the, अपनी wedding day पर boy को क्या बोलते हैं? Bridegroom. Bridegroom is a masculine gender. Let's move to part 2, pair them. Match and arrange the following list of words in the two columns given below. Here, in column A some words are given and in column B some words are given. We have to match them. And after that, we have to write these words in male and female category. First, fox. Opposite gender of fox is vixen. Count. Opposite gender of count is countess. Mistress. Opposite gender of mistress is master. Then peacock. Opposite gender of peacock is peahen. Then roe. Opposite gender of roe is hart. Now fox. Fox is a male and female category of fox is vixen. Count. Count is a male ruler of the country and countess is the female ruler of the country. Next, master. Female category is mistress. Then peacock. Female category is peahen. Then hart. Hart is a male deer and female category is roe, female deer. Let's move to part 3. Fill in each blank with the opposite gender of the word given in bold letters. First, the Duke of Kent was cruel, but the dash was kind-hearted. Opposite gender of Duke is Duchess. Next, Mrs. Cole invited all her nephews and dash to her son's birthday. Opposite gender of nephews is nieces. Next, the wicked queen wanted Snow White to die, but the dash loved his daughter very much. Wicked means bad, बुरी. बुरी क्वीन थी, वो चाहती थी कि स्नो वाइट मर जाए, बट डैश लव्ड हिज डॉटर वेरी मच. अपोजिट जेंडर ऑफ क्वीन इज किंग. किंग अपनी डॉटर से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता था. नेक्स्ट, माई अंकल इज़ वेरी फैट बट डैश इज स्लिम. अपोजिट जेंडर ऑफ अंकल इज आंट. Next, the dash smiled and waved at everyone. Waved means हाथ हिलाना. But the emperor seemed to be very sad. So, opposite gender of emperor is empress. Complete and learn these worksheets and do the assignment. Bye and have a nice day. God bless all of you.